The first thing to notice while installing TensorFlow is to choose either CPU or GPU supported version. For beginners, I would recommend you use CPU supported version if you need to train simple machine learning models. We have two formats of installation, so watch carefully and choose the one that suits your need. 1. TensorFlow installation through pip Windows. A. To install TensorFlow through pip, you need Python to be installed in your computer. B. To check if Python is installed properly, please open command prompt and type Python. C. To check the version of pip running in your system, open command prompt and type pip version. D. After you ensure that pip and Python are installed successfully. E. To install TensorFlow, run your command prompt as administrator. Right-click on the command prompt icon and click on Run as Administrator. F. After, just follow the code on screen. G. The command will take some time to execute, so remain patient. 2. TensorFlow through virtual environment. I would recommend you install TensorFlow through virtual environment because it is very useful when you change your environment or platform. A. Install virtual NV through pip. B. Create a virtual NV and activate your virtual environment by following the given scripts on screen. C. Once you activate your virtual environment and then install TensorFlow inside that virtual environment. As we discussed, TensorFlow is a very powerful machine learning framework and has grown in popularity and is now being used by developers for solving problems using deep learning methods for image recognition, video detection, text processing like sentiment analysis, etc. It takes some time to get used to TensorFlow, but once you're clear with the concepts, you can master TensorFlow and play around it.